Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a dining room massive makeover, also a haul of collected items that I have gotten over time, as well as decorating and tour at the end. A quick video, we are going to get started. You see there is a lot of wallpaper and pink carpet. We bought our home about 2.5 years ago, and it is straight from the 80s. It was built in the 80s and it was still in the 80s. So we took all the wallpaper down. I used this really handy steamer. It worked great, but as you see, it damaged the walls some. And we also took the carpet out. We did have to mud the walls, smooth them out, prime the walls, paint the walls. We have my father-in-law, mother-in-law, they helped a lot, which is nice. We got this really pretty dark wood flooring that we laid down. I love it. I always wanted dark wood floors. And we got the trim on the wall. We painted the wall Nuance by Sherwin-Williams. I love that color. Says that there's green undertones. My husband and father-in-law put the shiplap on the back wall there. I painted it white. We found a new chandelier to go in here. I love it. It blends well with the kitchen. Got our cute sign up there that I made out of shiplap for our family. There's an empty space over there that I wanted to fill that I did use the china cabinet that I refinished in a previous video, filled that space perfectly. And I have collected things over time that I knew I would love to use in the dining room. I try to shop for deals, wait till things go on sale, pick things up as they go on sale. These I got from Hobby Lobby. These as well, in case you guys are interested at all as to where I got anything. These were from Home Goods. Those were from Home Goods. Some of these I got recently. Some of these things I had bought like before. That's Hearth and Hand from Target. That as well. That I got at Michael's when it was 60% off. Same with these, Michael's. Hearth and Hand, I got that when it was on sale too. And I got that on sale as well. I used my Target Circle rewards. That was from Home Goods. This I actually got from my mom. She ended up not using it. I found this basket at the Goodwill. I took the burlap ribbon off, cleaned it up. I found this bowl at the Goodwill as well, and I wanted it to look old, and I showed that in my thrifting video when I had got it. Clearance Hearth and Hand bowl. And Michael's, I got this 60% off when they had their lowest prices of the season sale. This is the china cabinet that I had got from Habitat for Humanity for $75. What a deal. I refinished it and I love the way that it looks in my dining room. Here I'm just rearranging some things, placing things where I think will look nice and just moving them around until I find the way that I like it most. So I do that often just to get my favorite look out of it. I would recommend doing that, just playing around with your decor until it's set, how you love it. You want to love it. But I do have some old pieces in here like the crock on the bottom and that second shelf there, that glass juicer I had got from the Target Dollar Spot many years ago. And I had picked up some Goodwill finds, like the sugar and creamer up top, the glass ones, my sugar and creamer, the black and white ones I've had for quite some time. That was a Christmas gift. I just got lucky and found that dough bowl at Home Goods and just, some random things, some things that I've had packed away. But we moved in about 2.5 years ago. So this makeover has taken quite some time. It was definitely not a quick thing. It definitely took um, about that long because the dining room was the last space that we really did on this level. We have another table and chairs in the kitchen, so we were eating there for a while, but we love having dinner at the table. I have two sons that are young, and we love just being at the table and talking about our day, enjoying dinner together. Now, I got these lime stems from At Home last fall when they were 90% off, and as you see, they're pretty scarce. I don't have that many. I think there's maybe 8 up there. and if you just lay them perfectly, they'll look really full. This is the cabinet. I painted it, made it match the table and chairs. The table and chairs were actually refinished by my father-in-law and mother-in-law. They had got that from a garage sale and refinished it. And they ended up giving it to us when they found a new set that they wanted. But um, this artwork I love. I thought it would go better in the dining room than the one that I have hanging up behind it. I think that's really pretty, but when I seen this one and the spring shop went 50% off, I was going through their artwork again and I love it. So it fits the dining room perfectly. I got some avocados in the bowl over there. The warmer, that's from Kirkland's, the lantern warmer. It just goes so nice in the space, cozies it up. That is a hearth and hand hanging plant. That cabinet over there against the wall I actually made. I was looking for something that held the dog food and the cat food, and I just couldn't find anything reasonably priced that had the dimensions I needed. So I built that. We had some leftover butcher block from the counters in the kitchen. I got that basket, the picnic basket from a garage sale that I went to about a month ago. My husband and I had hung those floating shelves. Those shelves have changed a little bit. I added some decor. I thought they were a little bare, but I don't want things to be too bare or too crowded. I think I got it just right for the look that we love. The raised bowl feeders for our dogs, I made that, and the curtains are from Amazon. They're a little bit sheer, but we don't mind. I love the material that they are. The curtain rod is from Target, and the curtain rings are from Amazon. It's best if you get the 100 pack. It saves you money. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I can't wait to hear what you think down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you next time.